the test bag. So if you take that swab out of the test, you feel a little bit of resistance. And then just make sure to twist it around so you don't get everything. There's a little drop box right out here, and then you can just put everything in there. Everything in the brown bag is yours to keep. Just put the biohazard bag in there.
Okay. Alright, guys, we got our COVID test. So we arrived to Walmart. So we're in Walmart and I don't really need to buy anything, so let's go home. Still raining terribly outside. Alright, so the mission is to get that radio out and get the serial number so we could get the code out. So basically when you turn on the car asks for a code right here. And to use the radio you need the code. Usually it's in the glove box. But we need to take the radio out to get the serial number so we could activate it. Alright, so you just go to radio-navicode.honda.com and then you just enter your credentials here.
Today's day 2. Trying to figure out that radio situation in the Del Sol. So literally took me like all last night to figure out the code, and I finally got it. Basically you have to do the first 8 numbers of the serial number and then the last one you don't put in, and then you do the VIN number. And it was like so annoying because like it told me the VIN number was wrong or the serial number was wrong, this was wrong, that was wrong, and I just had to do different variants of different stuff, and then I finally read online how to do it. So yeah, let's go make breakfast and then punch that code into the radio and see if it works.
Oh, in case you've just joined us, everything this hour is being...
It works. Let's go. There we go. The radio finally works, guys. Check this out.
At 800-927-9083. I have a feeling
and the speakers work. Very nice. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.